In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI for project and team management. If you're looking for a way to streamline your workflow and enhance team collaboration, Notion AI might just be the tool you need. Let's dive in, step by step, to see how you can leverage this powerful feature to manage your projects and teams more effectively. To get started, open your browser and navigate to the Notion homepage. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the familiar interface that we all love. If you haven't already, make sure you log into your account so you can access all the features we'll be discussing today. Now, after logging in, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here, you'll find the option for Notion AI. Click on it to unveil the possibilities it offers. Notion AI is a versatile tool that can help you automate tasks, generate insights, and even assist with writing and data analysis. As you integrate it into your project management routine, you'll find that it saves you valuable time and effort. The next step is where the magic truly happens. In the Notion AI section, you'll have the opportunity to type in a prompt that suits your project and team management needs. Think about the specific tasks you want to automate or insights you need. Whether you're looking for help with brainstorming, scheduling, or drafting emails, type in your prompt and let Notion AI generate results tailored to your requirements. Once you have your AI-generated content, it's time to open your project and team management page. This is where you can start customizing the content to fit your specific needs. Remember, Notion is all about flexibility, so take advantage of the customization options to personalize your workspace. You can adjust the layout, add or remove sections, and even integrate other tools your team uses. This personalized setup not only enhances productivity, but also ensures that everyone on your team is on the same page. As you explore the different features and functionalities of Notion AI, keep in mind that it's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts and configurations to see what works best for you and your team. With practice, you'll discover that Notion AI can become an indispensable part of your project management toolkit. In conclusion, using Notion AI for project and team management can really transform how you and your team work together. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a more organized, efficient, and productive workflow. So go ahead and give it a try. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave your questions or comments below. We're here to help you make the most out of your Notion experience.